Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas decorations for your Christmas tree from paper with the quilling technique. So let's go. First, I took a paper, regular letter size A4 paper, and actually this one is a little bit special. It's a little shiny, if you can see. And I cut out paper stripes like this. You can also buy them, but it's cheaper that way. They are 3 millimeters wide, actually. But you can do as wide as you wish. You take a stripe and you take your quilling tool, Quilt Creations, and you are going to roll that paper up on your little tool. You put it inside like this and you just turn it around. Try not to squeeze it too much so that it is always the same pressure on it. Like this. And then what I like to use is a regular ruler with circles like this to put my little rolled paper into it. And you let it go. And you see it rolls itself out like this. And then you take it. You don't let go, you just free the end. You take your glue. I use regular paper glue. You take a tiny little bit and you put it, you glue the end like this. This paper doesn't glue on very well. Never mind, you just have to hold it down a little bit. See? And this is actually the basic shape of the quilling technique. Now, from this shape you can achieve several other shapes. Like, for example, you can squeeze. You hold your circle and you squeeze it halfway, like towards the center, like this. Here, and you've got a little teardrop with the beautiful drawings inside. This is one possibility. You can take another one that you've just done and you can squeeze both sides towards the center like this. And that way you are going to have this little shape like this. Or you can squeeze it into, you do the same and then you make it into a square shape like this. You can also do a triangle. Or many other ways, but we're just going to start with these ones for now. So once you've got a few shapes, you can glue them together like this or like this, all the same shapes, or also you can use different ones. It's really up to you what you like. And by that way you can make any size of different decorations actually. So you only do one layer, or you can even add much more like this and make it really big. It's really up to you. Actually it holds quite well together, it doesn't break. So I have a few shapes that I made here, and I'm going to show you how to put them together. You play with it, you try to find a nice little shape with all the different pieces. Let's say we want to do that one. You try it out, and if you like it, you can glue them together. You have to make sure you know where are the points that are going to that you can use to attach them to each other, like this. I think the square ones are not very easy to even to make the square shape, and also to glue them together. You can press them together a little bit. If you want, in between two layers, you can wait a few minutes so that it dries really well. Once it's done, you really have to let it dry. 5 minutes will do. Once it's done, you can use all kinds of different shapes that you put together as you wish. Like this, or like this, or that one. I also had an idea, but I just started it, that if you put a lot together, you can even make a very big kind of mobile that you can hang from the ceiling. I think it's better to hang it, because with the light, you know, when it's moving around, it's very beautiful. You can see the shapes much better than if you just glue it into something. So that is all. I hope you like it, and see you soon.